Hi, happy Thursday, April 30th. This assignment is going to be for today, Thursday, and Friday, May 1st. So this will be your last assignment for the week. If you guys look at slide 1, you guys will see that you are going to be starting 8.3. We're going to be working on this section for the next week. So next week, we're only going to be dealing with 8.3. There are 2 parts to this section. We want to focus on just doing the analyzing and describing and figuring out the information for the first couple of days, and then we're going to figure out what will it look like on the graph. For 8.3, today we are going to be working on our notes, which is through the Edpuzzle video. You are going to want to take this video very seriously because there are multiple parts to this section. I will be available for tutoring. This is probably a section you're going to want to sign up for tutoring if you are struggling already. We are going to take concepts we learned this year, but these equations are going to look a little bit different than what we were doing. So if you guys notice, I included humongous, huge arrows because 25% of you are still not watching the videos, and then you're saying that you're very confused on what you're doing. You need to watch the lessons. The lessons are not long. They are much shorter than a normal hour class that you guys have during the day. So you guys need to watch the videos. Please take notes for this section because you are going to be using this concept all of next week, so anything on this video will be following to next week. On the third slide is after you watch the video, you're going to go to Quizziz and take the quiz, aka the homework assignment. You will be getting the answers after you answer questions. So if you got it wrong, write down the answer, figure out what you did wrong. You will only have one chance to take this. So I will take your first score, and then I will determine how I think you did based off of how long you spent on it. You are going to get full credit. Please take this seriously because next week's going to be very struggling for some of you if you don't take this seriously. If you look at slides 4 to 1,000, just kidding. There are extra notes that I would have taught you in class. So we're only focusing on problem 1A, 1B, and 1C from the textbook. So you're gonna possibly want to skim through this. You're guys gonna see how to find the removable or non-removable points that are in the denominator. When you guys find your domain, you're going to review how to find your y and x intercept. You are then also going to see 3 different scenarios. So there are 3 scenarios of removable and non-removable. And when you are looking through these PowerPoints, ask me if you have questions. I'll make any supplement videos of how to complete the assignments if you need them. Problem 2, it talks about finding your vertical asymptote, which we already talked about. You set your numerator equal to 0 and you solve. There will be ones that you're going to have to factor. So we've been factoring all year, so that will come in handy for this section. And then for the horizontal asymptotes, there are 3 types of asymptotes. So slide number 9 is a really good slide to copy down on your notebook or paper. Slide 10 just gives you more examples of how to find the horizontal asymptotes. So you're going to be figuring out how to find your VA, your HA, your intercepts, and those are the important things because those are going to determine what your domain and range are. So this is similar to what H and K are, except now it's not in the transformation equation form. They're going to be just written in rational form with a bunch of stuff in the numerator and denominator, and you're going to figure out, well, what is my horizontal asymptote, what's my vertical asymptote if it's not in HK form. And that's it. If you have questions, please let me know. This is your assignment for the next 2 days, and have a great weekend once you're finished.